Okay, so this is my video on essential commands or essential basic commands in AutoCAD. So starting with the first command, we have grid, and this would specify the grid spacing in the back. So higher number would make the grid more spaced out, and a lower number would make the grid more compact. And so next is the line command. Very simple, very straightforward. It just draws a line. You can specify the distance, specify the length. Here we have the ortho mode command, which basically allows you to only draw a line in the X and Y directions. The shortcut for that is F8. And we have object snap as well. So say you're drawing a line, and this would snap your cursor to the point of that line, of another line, sorry, like this. Next is polyline. We choose polyline, and this is very similar to line, other than the fact that once you connect all lines, it's going to create a polygon and display the center point of that polygon. Next is the circle command. You just draw a circle. You could specify the radius, and it just shows a circle. You could do 3 points, which is basically specifying the center point of a circle along 3 points. And 2 points, or 2p, is similar. You just select 2 points and specify the center point of that circle between 2 points. Next we have arc. You select 2 points and it creates an arc between those 2 points. And next we have rectangle. It just creates a rectangle. And we have ellipse. So you choose 2 points here, and this is going to be the radius of the ellipse. You move your mouse up or down, and this would create an ellipse. Next we have hatch. So if I want to hatch this, I click hatch, or just type the hatch here, and this would create a hatch in whatever closed object I want to hatch. So I choose a hatch type here, and I click here, and this would hatch the object. You could change the angle of the hatch, and you could also change the distance between each hatch, like so. Oh, that's too small, sorry. Like that. Next is extend. So say you draw a line between here and here, and this line doesn't want to, and this line does not reach this line, but you want it to. So you could just type extend, and this line would just extend to this hatch, or to this line there, sorry. Next is trim. Very straightforward command. You don't want this line to pass this line. You select trim, you just cut that out, and there we go. It's trimmed out. And the next command is mirror. You want to mirror a point, an object between a point, sorry. You type mirror, and you select the object, enter, select the point, and you mirror that along that point. You could erase the source object or not. I will. Next command is layer. So this would create a new layer. Say you want to create a layer for walls. There we go. We have a new layer for the wall. You could customize the layer. I'm going to change this color to pink, and you could change the line type, the line weight, and you could select the layer you want to use here. So now every layer, or every line I create, is going to be of that wall layer. If you accidentally delete an object, like this, you can type oops, and it will bring the deleted objects back. Or, even easier, you can just do Ctrl-C, and it's going to bring everything back. Alright, next is the fillet and chamfer commands. I'm going to change the layer back. If you draw a corner like this, you could fillet that. You select the first line. You click radius here. You select the radius of the corner. That's going to be rounded. I'm going to do 60. I enter, select the second line, and like that, it's going to round the corner. Next is chamfer. It's very similar to fillet. You select chamfer here. You select the first line. Click distance. You could also change the angle, but I'm just going to do the default because it's easier. You can change distance. I'm going to do distance of 10. You press enter, enter again, select the second line, and it chamfers the corner like so. And that's it. Thank you for watching.